Hello children, I hope you are all happy and healthy today. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will learn a lot of new things and have lots of fun. नमस्ते बच्चों, स्वागत है। यहाँ हम ढेर सारी नई चीजें सीखेंगे और खूब मस्ती करेंगे। Now, if you would like to have some fun, please stand up and join me in this song. अब अगर आपको थोड़ी मस्ती करनी है तो प्लीज खड़े हो जाइए और मेरे साथ ये सॉन्ग गाइए।
Climb on board the Juk Juk train, there are so many things to see. Put your right hand up, then your left hand up, go Juk 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 Juk. Ooh, what is that? That's an elephant swaying around. Ooh, what is that? That's a kangaroo hopping around. Climb on board the Juk Juk train, there are so many things to see. Juk 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 Juk. Juk 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 Juk. Ooh, what is that? That's a peacock dancing around. Ooh, what is that? Oh, that's a lion. Don't stop. Climb on board the Juk Juk train, there are so many things to see. Put your right hand up, then your left hand up, go Juk 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 Juk.
I hope you enjoyed singing and dancing with me today. Now, I would like to ask you a few questions. You have to think and answer. Children, do you like talking to your friends? क्या आपको आपके दोस्तों के साथ बात करना पसंद है? I love talking to my friends. We talk about movies, games, and our favorite food. I get to know my friends better when I talk to them. मुझे मेरे दोस्तों के साथ मूवीज, गेम्स और खाने के बारे में बात करना बहुत पसंद है। मैं उनको और बेहतर तरीके से पहचान पाती हूँ। Children, how do you give information to someone? आप किसी भी चीज के बारे में जानकारी कैसे दे सकते हैं किसी को? We can give information by communicating to someone. We can communicate via phone, email, message or talk. Communication के बहुत सारे तरीके हो सकते हैं और जानकारी देने के लिए हमें communicate करना बहुत जरूरी है। हम ईमेल पे या फोन पे या बात करके ये जानकारी दे सकते हैं। Getting to know people, sending information, all this is possible through conversations. Today, I would like to have a conversation with one of my friends. Would you like to see my friend? Let's call her. Children, today I have my friend Asma with all of you. Would you like to say hello?
Hello everyone.
Great. Asma is here so all of us can learn conversations. Asma, would you like to speak with me today?
Absolutely.
Okay. Asma, do you like potatoes?
Yes, I love potatoes.
Wow. And do you like cabbage?
Yes, I like cabbage also.
Lovely. I like them too.
Do you like grapes?
No, I don't like grapes.
Then which other fruit you like?
I like strawberries.
Oh, yum. Strawberries are yum.
Yes, I agree.
Do you have a red marker?
Oh, yes, I do.
Can you give it to me?
Sure.
Thank you.
No problem. Would you have a blue pencil by any chance?
Yes, I have it.
Can you please give it to me?
Oh, I'm sorry. I can't. I need it.
Oh, no problem. Thank you for coming today, Asma.
It's my pleasure.
Great. I hope you all liked meeting Asma. Children, I have a surprise for all of you. Balu! Would you like to say hi to everyone?
Hello everyone. Hi Parita.
Hi. It's so nice to see you. We are going to learn conversations with Balu today.
Yes.
Balu and I are going to make a conversation by adding few words to the sentences. हम नए-नए शब्द वाक्य में जोड़ के लंबी-लंबी बातें करने वाले हैं. Can we start?
Yes.
Balu, come over to my house.
Come over to my house tomorrow.
Okay. Come over to my house tomorrow at 6.
Come over to my house tomorrow at 6 in the evening.
Okay. Come over to my house tomorrow at 6 in the evening and bring your brother.
Okay.
Did you all see that? We made such a long sentence. I hope it was fun. We have one more. Now, Balu will start a conversation.
Please don't talk.
Please don't talk and sit down.
Please don't talk. Sit down. Sit straight.
Please don't talk. Sit down. Sit straight and fold your hands.
Please don't talk. Sit down. Sit straight. Fold your hands. Now look at the sky.
Great! Very good, Balu. I hope you enjoyed the activity with me and Balu.
Yay!
Wasn't it wonderful to have Asma and Balu both here? I had fun. Now, I would like to do one more activity with you. I will give you a few riddles. You have to guess the answers. अब मैं आपको कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी और आपको उसका जवाब बताना है. My first question. I am a fruit. I am brown from outside and yellow from inside. I have a green crown on my head. What am I? मैं एक फ्रूट हूँ. मैं बाहर से ब्राउन और अंदर से येलो कलर का हूँ. मेरे सिर पे एक ग्रीन कलर का क्राउन है. मैं कौन हूँ? Yes, it's a pineapple. Very good, students. Now try and guess the other one. I am yellow in color. I am circular. You can squeeze me and drink me in the summer. What am I? मैं येलो कलर का हूँ और गोल हूँ। आप मुझे निचोड़ सकते हैं और गर्मी के मौसम में पी सकते हैं। मैं कौन हूँ? Yes, it's a lemon. Can you guess this one? I am brown and hairy from the outside, but I am white from the inside. I have water inside me. मैं बाहर से बहुत ब्राउन हूँ और बहुत बाल है। अंदर से मैं वाइट कलर का हूँ और मेरे पास अंदर बहुत सारा पानी है। मैं कौन हूँ? Yes, it's a coconut. Now try and guess this one. I am a vegetable. I am grown underground and I have a orange skin. I have green leaves on my head. I am the favorite food of rabbits. What am I? मैं एक सब्जी हूँ और मैं जमीन के नीचे उगता हूँ। मेरा रंग ऑरेंज कलर का है और मेरे सिर के ऊपर ग्रीन कलर के पत्ते हैं। खरगोश का मैं फेवरेट खाना हूँ। मैं कौन हूँ? Yes, they are carrots. Do you like carrots? Okay. Now try to guess the next one. It's the last riddle. Listen to me carefully. I am a vegetable. I grow underground. I am circular and a little healthy. People love making fries out of me. What am I? मैं एक सब्जी हूँ। मैं भी जमीन के नीचे आता हूँ। मैं थोड़ा मोटा तरीके का हूँ और लोगों को मेरे में से चिप्स और फ्राइज बनाने बहुत पसंद है। मैं कौन हूँ? Yes, they are potatoes. I hope you liked the riddles and you were able to guess most of them. Now I have one last activity for everyone. Are you ready? Now I will show you a conversation on the screen. You have to fill in the blanks with the right word. अब मैं आपको एक बातचीत इस स्क्रीन पे दिखाऊंगी। आपको खाली जगह पे सही शब्द भरना है। Let's take an example. Monu and Sonu are conversing. Monu says, dash Sonu. What do you think will Monu say? Yes, hello Sonu. You can pick from the options given there. We will say, hello Sonu. Now, can you try and fill the entire blanks? Sonu says, hi Monu. Dash are you? Yes. How are you? Monu says, I am fine. Where are dash going? You. Where are you going? Sonu. I am dash to the market. Yes, he will say, I am going to the market. Then Monu says, okay, please drive your dash safely. Do you think Sonu will have a train? Maybe not. So we will say, please drive your bicycle safely. Sonu. Yes, thank you. Bye. Monu. Bye. See you soon. I hope you were able to guess the answers correctly. I hope you enjoyed the activity. Now it's time for you to sit back and relax while I tell you a wonderful story. Children, have you ever had a secret? क्या आपकी कभी कोई भी बात secret रही है? I once had a secret and I shared it with my best friend. Who do you share your secrets with? आप आपकी secrets किसके साथ share करते हैं? I share my secret with my best friend and sometimes my sister also. मैं मेरी secret मेरी best friend और मेरी बहन के साथ भी share करती हूँ. Can you tell me your secret? Of course not. We cannot tell our secrets to everyone. Otherwise, how will it be a secret? हम हमारी secrets सबको थोड़ी बताते हैं, वरना वो secret नहीं रहता. Today, let me tell you a story about a secret. Would you want to know what is the secret? Let's find out. The name of the story is A Secret, written by Aru Sinha. Sudha and Lakshmi were having a serious conversation. सुधा और लक्ष्मी एक सीरियस बात पे बातचीत कर रहे थे. The discussion was not of a calamity, but of a little helpless creature. वो बातचीत कोई तूफान के बारे में नहीं थी, पर एक छोटे से हेल्पलेस पक्षी के बारे में थी. Lakshmi told Sudha that her father had caged a parrot. लक्ष्मी ने सुधा को कहा कि उसके पापा ने एक पैरेट को केज में डाल दिया था. She told her that the parrot had a beautiful voice. It could even talk like humans. And it literally had feelings. उसने कहा कि उस पैरेट को बहुत अच्छा सुरीला गाता है और वो इंसानों की तरह बात कर सकता है. और वो पैरेट के पास सच्ची में इंसानों की तरह भावनाएं हैं. She told her that she used to talk to that parrot every night without telling anyone. उसने कहा कि वो हर रात उस पैरेट के साथ बात करती थी, किसी को बताए बिना. Lakshmi told a secret to Sudha that the parrot wants to fly. He wants freedom. He wants to explore the world and he wants to fulfill his wishes. He is missing his parents. लक्ष्मी ने सुधा को एक सीक्रेट बताई कि वो पैरट वहां बहुत दुखी है और उसको आजादी चाहिए, उसको दुनिया देखनी है और अपने सपने फुलफिल करने हैं। उसको अपने मम्मी पापा की भी बहुत याद आ रही है। After listening about the parrot's desires, Sudha thought for a while. वो पैरट की इच्छाएं सुन के सुधा सोचने लगी। Sudha told Lakshmi that open the windows and do this act without telling anyone else. सुधा ने लक्ष्मी से कहा कि खोल दो वो केज, पर किसी को कहना मत। Lakshmi at a certain moment got scared of the advice, but after a while she decided to do the same. पहले लक्ष्मी डर गई उस एडवाइस से, लेकिन फिर उसने वही किया। She directly went to the room where the parrot was caged. She opened all the windows of that room. The parrot thanked her and fled away. वो जल्दी से वो कमरे में गई और उसने सारी खिड़कियां खोल दी। वो पैरट बहुत खुश हो गया। उसने शुक्रिया कहा और उड़ गया। Just because of Sudha's advice and Lakshmi's courage, the parrot enjoyed the freedom. He came time to time to meet both the girls, who did a great job. सुधा की एडवाइस की वजह से और लक्ष्मी की हिम्मत की वजह से आज वो पैरट आजादगी ले रहा था। फिर वो कभी-कभी उनको मिलने भी आ जाया करता था, उनके बहुत अच्छे काम के लिए। The fact of keeping the parrot free from all the restrictions always remained a secret between Sudha, Lakshmi and the parrot. वो पैरट कैसे उड़ गया और सबसे बंधन से दूर हो गया, वो हमेशा एक सीक्रेट रह गया इन तीनों के बीच में। Wasn't it an interesting story, children? We saw how the parrot felt so caged in that room and he wanted to fly away. Then Sudha gave an advice to Lakshmi and Lakshmi opened all the windows and the parrot fled away. Nobody knew about this, so it always remained a secret between Lakshmi, Sudha and the parrot. I hope you liked this story. And now we all know they are secret. I hope you enjoyed today's session. We learnt about conversations. Can you converse with your friend and ask for a book? Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.